So I haven't had the chance to do a whole lot of behind-the-scenes vlogs or anything like that over the past couple of weeks between LTX and getting caught up and all sorts of craziness. So since I did just launch on Floatplane, I wanted to share the madness I'm working on at this exact moment, because I feel like I'm just a mad scientist over here with what all is running. So, say hello to Remby, who's trying to sleep, and I'm just talking too much. Go to sleep, Remy. It's fine. It's fine. So I'm doing a test of Plex media server with a ridiculous graphics card. So I've got 3 streams of transcoding running on that computer. I've got my phone playing. Laptop 1, laptop 2, desktop 2, TV's playing. I've got the client on the server itself running, and then another PC playing over here, and then I have one upstairs playing the movie as well. All at different qualities, all at different points in the movie, all transcoding, and it's going to be hard to see this, but it's only using, like, at most 40% of the NVENC load of the graphics card that's in the system. Now granted, the small little Ryzen APU that's in it is getting just, like, hammered, but overall, this is just bonkers. And I can't wait for this video to go up, because I think it's just going to make people mad that I'm even wasting time with this. But it was a lot of fun. Like I said, I feel like a madman. And I've never really had the opportunity to do like this degree of over-the-top project before. So I'm super stoked to finally like do something like this and kind of one-up all the people using ridiculous quadros for their setup and stuff. Also, I just got in the Eon GameCube HD adapter for actually a video on this, which is the M Classic. It's a cable adapter that's meant to upscale your video game consoles to 4K or 1440p and do a little processing on them. Should be fun to review that after my Nintendo 64 adapter review. Suddenly, companies are like, whoa, you're going deep, let's cover more. And so I got this to pair with it, as well as all the other stuff I've covered. And I also just got in, well, I got in the Insta360ONE X 360-degree camera I'm working on, having trouble with the Premiere plugin, so that's on hold at the moment. And then I got the GB01 cart reader to back up Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color, just the carts themselves, as well as save files. And then up here, I've got both the original Game Boy Color, and the Game Boy Advance EverDrives for playing ROMs on what is down here, which is the Game Boy Advance Consoleizer, which is also coming in for review very shortly. There's my brief display of Game Boy Advance games. So yeah, just wanted to share, what's going on. Never had such an insane project before, so just want to share that with you. I do have streaming coverage of the new Ryzen processors coming very soon. I do have a press kit sitting over there waiting on me. Just a lot going on that I had to get caught up on, and thank you for the support on Floatplane. Last time I checked, we were at like 15 pledges on Floatplane already, which is insane because it just launched today. You guys rock. Hit me up on Discord if you're not getting the role. The bot doesn't seem to be working fully, but they never do. Like, the Discord bots never really work all that well, so I don't know. I'll add you to the role. We can chat, have some fun. I'll see you later. You didn't get to be in the video. Hi, Pud. What you doing, buddy? Just hanging out? Okay. Also, I had posted on Twitter asking about options for storing laptops, and actually this $9 dish, dryer stand worked out perfectly. I was worried about it not being sturdy enough for falling over, but so far it's been perfect, even for the beefier laptop. I do worry about the metal parts scratching the laptops, so I'm being super careful for now, and we're gonna like make some sort of fabric to go over top of it, but I'll try to have a link to it in the description or in the posts, because this costs $9 and is literally all I need for now. Pretty cool.